is a free app where you can view and upload your own recipes to accumulate Foodism loyalty points, which can be later converted into real money. You can get this app from App Store or Play Store. I already have it. So, this is the main page. Once you open the app, you will able to see a lot of recipes which you can check out, but to upload your own, you will need an account. There are many ways to make an account on the app. Choose whatever you want. Main part. Click on this plus button to start editing recipes. There are a lot of options while adding your own recipes like cover photo, categories, type, ingredients, and even what utensils to use. There are multiple options for every aspect of cooking, even the time of the stage of conversion, also the main ingredients to the recipe. Coming to the main part, to write your detailed recipe, bifurcate it in the section below. Compulsory to upload a video. And then I'll choose type category along with the proportion or quantity of the recipe. Then we will come to the preparation time, which is 5 minutes, and then cooking time, which will be not more than 3 minutes. No baking time as its rise, and the resting time, which will be not more than 3 minutes. Then we will come to the ingredients. Then we will choose the dish type, as I'll choose this is breakfast, and then it's an Indian food. After that, finally adding the recipe. It doesn't stop here. After you upload the recipe, you get Foodism loyalty points, also known as FLP. These FLP can be converted into real cash. Now, you must be thinking how to earn them. So, as soon as you sign up, you get 100 loyalty points. And after you're referring your friend, you can also get 50 loyalty points. And as you start uploading recipes, they can get likes, reactions, and views. They'll start getting Foodism loyalty points. You can also increase Foodism loyalty points by reacting and viewing other people's recipes and also following them. There is a minimum eligibility criteria to redeem Foodism loyalty points, which are you should have minimum uploaded 3 recipes and you must have 30 reaction on your videos. And last but not least, you should have 50 unique views. And the views only counts if a person who is watching your recipe has stayed 6 or more seconds on the video. As soon as you get eligible for the redemption, you will get an authentication. The same goes with the ones when payment is completed. Now, finally withdraw it, you can have payment details and then finally withdraw. Download the Foodism app now.